If you need to know how to use VLC Media Player to record screen activities, this video will show you exactly how to do it. Recording your screen with VLC Media Player is a very simple process. Just open VLC Media Player. Click on Media, then select Convert Save. When this window appears, click on Capture Device tab. For the capture mode, make sure you select Desktop, as this tells VLC to record your screen. Right below that, you'll see a box for the frame rate. Type in your desired frames per second, something like 15 or 30 works well for most recordings. And after setting your frame rate, click on Convert Save button. Click Browse to choose where you want your recorded video to be saved on your computer. Give your file a name, then click Save. You're now ready to start recording. Simply click on Start. You'll see the timer begins counting, which means everything happening on your screen is now being recorded. While the timer is running, you can navigate through files, open programs, or demonstrate a process. VLC will continue capturing your screen in the background. Once you have finished recording, return to VLC Media Player and click on Stop button. VLC will save the file automatically, and you'll find your recorded video waiting for you in the folder you selected. So, that was how to record your screen using VLC Media Player. Thank you so much for watching, and have a wonderful day.